Hi, this is Sergio Ammirata, and one of the developers and the maintainer of the libRist library, and I'm also the chief scientist and founder of SipRadius, LLC. I'm going to be talking about libRist today. The original libRist is interesting because SipRadius had already a working library, a working code base for packet recovery back in 2014. And after many years of perfecting that code base, we decided to open source it right before the pandemic started. The story then continues that we created an API for it, and there were a lot of participants because when the pandemic again started, there were a lot of people at home with free time, and that ended up giving us a really solid open source core of about 1,000 commits within a year and a half. The library is there to facilitate the adoption of the RISC protocol. For us, it has been a very rewarding experience. We don't necessarily make money from the library itself, although we use the library within our own products with a fancy user interface, and we make it a point to use the exact same version of the library that we publish. So there are no hidden features that we have that you don't have available in the open source community. We make the library BSD type 2 to make sure that everybody can use it even for commercial purposes without having to pay royalties. Our objective is to have the most wide adoption possible of the RISC protocol itself. The library, after 2 or 3 years of existence, has matured and is available in a VLC video player, in FFmpeg. It has been adopted by all the open source projects such as OBS. It is part of the packaging system of FreeBSD, of Debian, and the Mac Homebrew, and many others. So we hope that this wide adoption will make this interoperable protocol, available to anybody in broadcast or in mobile and any type of device, desktop device as well. Thank you.